Hello guys, today in this video we are going to review Bloom Green Superfood. You should buy this superfood drink or not. Is this really helpful? And what are the things you need to keep in your mind before placing any order for this product, Green Superfood, okay? So first of all, if we talk about this brand, Bloom Nutrition is a very popular brand. They are approx 7 years from now, and you can see the rating of the product is really amazing, okay? And we will also talk about like how much time it will take to give you results, okay? So first of all, if we talk about this brand, the brand is really amazing, and the product is also available in lots of flavors like mango and citrus, berry and cranberry, strawberry, kiwi, unflavored, watermelon. So there are so many options available. This is the best part. So first of all, if we talk about what are the main benefits, so you can see the main ingredient of this you can say like product is like barley grass, which is very popular in India also, which is very popular according to Ayurveda, okay? And prebiotics and probiotics also available, which is very important for your digestive or gut health, okay? Digestive enzymes, which is also very helpful for your digestion and bloating related issues. So there are lots of you can say like ingredient which is very helpful for your digestive, for your health related, for your gut related. So there are so many ingredient is available in this green superfood. So that's why this is called superfood, okay? So yes, definitely you can buy this product, you can use this product. This is a really amazing brand and this is a really amazing product. But if we talk about like results, how much time it will take to give you result? So basically it will take approx 4 to 6 weeks. After 4 to 6 weeks you will see changes in your body, okay? And if we talk about like what are the main things you need to keep in your mind, so basically when you buy a product on their official website, there is a option of subscribe and save, like we can say subscription model. So you should avoid subscription, because in some time if you don't want product, if you don't want to take any kind of supplement from the web brand, so if you take any subscription, they will auto refill the product at your delivery, you can like at your doorstep, and they will charge on your account. So please try to buy a product only for one time purchase, okay? So these are the things, these are the information. Now if you have any questions, you can make a comment. I will reply you very soon, and thanks for watching this video. Bye bye, take care, see you soon in the next video.